Welcome to our channel Storm Rider. When people hear the name, Bismarck, most immediately think of the legendary German battleship from World War II. The original German battleship Bismarck was one of the most powerful warships of its time, a symbol of engineering ambition and naval dominance. But today, we're imagining something entirely different, a 2026 Bismarck battleship concept, a modern interpretation of what a next-generation battleship could look like if the world's most advanced naval technologies were combined into one floating fortress. This isn't just a throwback, it's a bold vision of how sea power could evolve in the 21st century. First, let's talk about size and presence. The 2026 Bismarck concept would likely stretch over 280 meters in length, with a displacement exceeding 80,000 tons. That's larger than many current cruisers and comparable to some aircraft carriers in sheer mass. The hull would be designed with stealth geometry, featuring angled surfaces and radar-absorbent materials to reduce its radar cross-section. Unlike traditional battleships with towering superstructures and exposed gun turrets, this version would have a sleek, integrated mast system and enclosed weapon platforms, giving it a futuristic, almost sci-fi silhouette. Think of it as a hybrid between a traditional battleship and a modern stealth destroyer. Powering a vessel of this scale requires serious engineering. Instead of conventional oil-fired boilers like the original Bismarck, the 2026 version would almost certainly use an integrated electric propulsion system. This could combine advanced gas turbines with nuclear or hybrid energy modules to generate massive electrical output. Not only would this allow higher sustained speeds, potentially over 30 knots, but it would also provide the energy needed for next-generation weapons. One of the unique selling points here would be energy-based weapon systems. We're talking about electromagnetic railguns and high-energy laser arrays capable of intercepting incoming missiles, drones, and even hypersonic threats. The railgun system, for example, would replace traditional 15-inch naval guns with electromagnetic launchers capable of firing projectiles at speeds exceeding Mach 6. Unlike explosive shells, these projectiles rely on kinetic energy to deliver devastating impact. That means longer range, greater accuracy, and reduced onboard ammunition risks. For viewers who aren't deeply technical, imagine firing a solid metal slug so fast that its speed alone causes massive destruction, no explosives required. It's cleaner, more precise, and dramatically more advanced than the artillery of the 1940s. Missile capability would also be central to the 2026 Bismarck. Vertical launch system cells integrated into the deck could carry a mix of surface-to-air missiles, anti-ship missiles, land attack cruise missiles, and anti-submarine rockets. This makes the ship not just a surface combatant, but a multi-domain strike platform. In practical terms, it could defend an entire fleet from air attacks, strike enemy ships hundreds of kilometers away, and even launch precision strikes against land-based targets. That flexibility would be one of its strongest advantages in modern naval warfare. Air defense would be layered and intelligent. Advanced phased array radar systems would provide 360-degree situational awareness, tracking hundreds of targets simultaneously. Artificial intelligence-assisted battle management software would analyze threats in real time, recommending intercept solutions faster than any human crew alone could. Close-in weapon systems, possibly upgraded with laser interception capability, would serve as the last line of defense against incoming missiles. For the average viewer, think of it as a floating, self-defending fortress that sees everything around it and reacts in milliseconds. Another defining feature would be its aviation and drone capabilities. While not a full aircraft carrier, the 2026 Bismarck could include a flight deck and hangar space for multiple helicopters and unmanned aerial vehicles. These drones would extend its surveillance range dramatically, scouting hundreds of kilometers ahead, identifying threats, and even conducting strike missions. In modern warfare, information is power. The ship that sees first often wins first. By integrating advanced UAV systems, this battleship would essentially give itself a set of eyes far beyond the horizon. Let's talk about survivability. The original Bismarck was famous for its heavy armor. In a modern context, armor alone isn't enough. The 2026 version would combine composite armor materials with advanced compartmentalization, automated damage control systems, and electronic countermeasures. Instead of relying purely on thick steel plating, it would focus on avoiding hits in the first place. Electronic warfare suites could jam enemy radar and missile guidance systems, while decoy systems would lure incoming threats away from the hull. If damage did occur, automated fire suppression and flood control systems would activate instantly, limiting the spread of destruction and protecting the crew. Crew design is another area where things would look very different. The original Bismarck carried over 2,000 sailors. A 2026 variant, thanks to automation and AI-driven systems, might operate effectively with a crew of 400 to 600. This not only reduces operational costs but also minimizes risk to human life. Living quarters would be more comfortable and technologically integrated, with digital control panels, modular maintenance systems, and advanced training simulators on board. One of the most interesting aspects of reviving the battleship concept in 2026 is its strategic role. In today's naval doctrine, aircraft carriers and submarines dominate. So where does a battleship fit? The answer lies in power projection and deterrence. A ship like this would act as a heavily armed command center, capable of leading task forces into contested waters. Its sheer presence would send a powerful political and military message. In many ways, it would serve as a symbol, much like the original Bismarck did in its time, but backed by modern, precision-driven firepower rather than brute force alone. From a design perspective, the 2026 Bismarck would likely incorporate modular construction. That means sections of the ship could be upgraded or replaced as technology evolves. Instead of becoming obsolete within a decade, it could adapt, swapping out missile systems, upgrading radar arrays, or integrating new drone platforms as needed. This future-proofing would be a major selling point for any navy investing billions into a single capital ship. Now let's address cost and practicality. A vessel of this scale and sophistication would easily cost tens of billions of dollars. Critics would argue that such funds could build multiple smaller ships instead. Supporters, however, would point to concentration of power. One platform capable of handling air defense, missile strikes, electronic warfare, and command operations simultaneously. It becomes not just a ship, but a mobile strategic asset. For everyday viewers, the 2026 Bismarck represents more than just hardware. It represents how far naval engineering has come. Compare riveted steel hulls and manual targeting systems from the 1940s to AI-assisted targeting, electromagnetic weapons, and autonomous drones. It's a dramatic leap, like comparing a rotary phone to a quantum computer. Ultimately, the 2026 Bismarck battleship concept blends legacy with innovation. It honors the memory of the historic German battleship Bismarck while reimagining what a battleship could mean in a modern strategic environment. It combines overwhelming firepower, advanced defense systems, intelligent automation, and futuristic design into a single cohesive platform. Whether such a ship will ever be built in reality is uncertain, but as a concept, it captures the imagination. It shows us what happens when tradition meets cutting-edge technology, and it reminds us that even in an age dominated by aircraft carriers and stealth submarines, the idea of a powerful, heavily armed surface warship still has the power to inspire awe.